5th class. Myself Harpreet Kaur. I am your math teacher from Baba Kishan Das Public Senior Secondary School, Salana, District Fatehgarh Sahib. Students, in last video, you have done exercise 2.1. In that exercise, you have learned addition and subtraction. Today we are going to do exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2, the first question is find the digit in the place value of. Now see, we have to put the digit in place of. Here we have to put the value. What value should be there in this box that our answer can be completed? So, let me start. Here is 9 and here is 8. What here say the sign here, it is of addition sign. What should be added to 9 that in last digit 8 can come? So what can be added? 9 plus 9, 18 comes. So this 8 is written here and 1 we will carry to the next. So here it comes to 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 plus 1. Now add this one. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 0, 1 should be go to the next to add. 1 plus 5, 6. It's come to this 2 digit is 6. What should be added to 6? Then 9 can come. 6 is there, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 3 digit we have to write here that our 9 can be come. Okay. So last what should be added to 6 that 9 will become? Here we have done it na. Here is coming 3. So here also become 3. Like this you have to do here. Here the sign you see that its sign is of minus. Okay. What should be the number here will come that by which 2 will be deducted and answer will come to 3. So what trick we have to use? We will add this 2. So to find out about digit we will add this 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 minus 2, 3 will come. Here is simple minus. 9 minus 7, 2. What should be subtracted to 9 that 4 can come? So what trick we have to use? If above digit is given, middle digit is not given, in minus we will deduct this 2. We will deduct this. 9 minus 4, 5. Okay, 5 will come. Here also 9 minus 5, 4. This is a trick we have to use in this. Next question is evaluate the following. We have to evaluate. How we will evaluate it? That we see. First sum is like this. Here the sign is of minus also, plus also. So first sign is of minus. So these 2 digit we will minus it. Let minus it. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1238. Under it we will write this one. 1025. Here it sign to come minus because here sign is of minus. So we will minus it. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. After this, what sign is this? Plus. So we will write here plus. And after that, what digit is there? 5, 0, 1, 8. What sign is this? Plus. So we will plus it. 8 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. See us, beta. 8 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 0, 5. So our answer will be 5229. Students, let me see the second question. Second question is 8107 plus 2437 minus 6089. So, first of all, here the sign is of plus. So, these two we have to add. We will write this digit like this. We have to put plus sign because here is plus. Add it. 7 plus 7, 14. 4 plus 1 will be carried to the next one. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Now the sign is of minus. So I will write here minus. Now here there is 5 digit and here there is 4 digit. So we will write from the back side 9, 8, 0, 6. Minus it from 4, 9 cannot be come. From 4, 9 cannot be go. So he will borrow from the neighbor. Here it comes 14 and here it comes 3. 14 minus 9. Count with me. Count you in your hands. It's come to 5. Your is correct. Okay. From 3, 8 cannot be deducted. So from neighbors it can borrow. Here it comes 13 and here it comes 4. 13 minus 8, tell me. 5. So here it comes 5. 4 minus 0, 4. 10 minus 6, here what it comes? 4. So this is our answer. So students, exercise 2.2, you have learned how to find the digit in the place of the value, and second question you have done of evaluation. So these two questions you have to do in your fair copy and practice it. Thank you.